This is your sign to get perfect dry orange slices at home. The method I propose is super easy, it gives 100% result and provides you with great aroma syrupy for at least one day. For your orange slices, to get an ideal texture, to be not burnt but totally dried, and to have beautiful bright colors, you will need 7 hours to dry them. Also, you should cut them in the slices that are shown in the video. They should be no more than 3-4 millimeters in width. Of course, it's very difficult to cut them ideally, each slice, so you should at least try not to make them too thin or too thick. One more tip for easier cutting and to preserve a beautiful ornament on each of your orange slices is to make cutting motions, not pressing. Also, I would suggest buying a few more oranges to the amount you planned to get orange slices from, because last 1/3 part of orange is just difficult to be cut well. Sometimes it's even a second part of orange that you cannot cut good slices from because your cutting line is already curved, so you just eat it and no regrets. So you should consider this. I hope you already got an understanding on how I cut it and on what slices you should get. I want to have some lemon slices in my Christmas decorations. They are done together with orange slices. The method is the same, but you should take into consideration that they will be more pale and less bright. And there is one more note that I want to make, is that you'd better take not too big fruits, and they should be long. Then it will be easier for you to get as many slices from one fruit as possible. I mean, beautiful, perfect, without any curves. An ultimate tip for perfect dried oranges is to take baking tray for grill and parchment paper. Now I'm selecting this mode in my oven. If your oven does not have convection, you should leave it a little bit open. And 75 Celsius degrees. You should leave them there for 7 hours. If you want to keep it overnight, then you'd better reduce temperature to 50 degrees because they can get burnt.
7 hours later.
And here is the result. They are totally dry, very bright with beautiful ornament, and as a bonus, your apartment smells just marvelous.